Okay, Game 3 ng Rain or Shine at TNT Semifinals match. Pag-usapan natin kung anong ginawa ng Rain or Shine, kung bakit sila nanalo kontra sa TNT ngayong Game 3. So, to set the context, ang offense ng TNT is mainly drive and kick. Nakakakuha sila ng opportunities by getting to the paint, shifting the defense, either scoring in the paint or kicking out for shooters. And kapag wala, they drive again and they find opportunities. So, ang defense ng Rain or Shine, napansin ko, is designed to stop giving TNT advantages, which are their drives. So, ang ginagawa ng Rain or Shine is kada merong sliver of opportunity para sa TNT na makadrive sila or get to the paint, they switch automatically. Nagpipil switch sila every blow-by ng TNT. Ito, nag-compile ako ng ilang clips na pag-uusapan natin today kung paano nila ginawa yon. So, first, makikita natin, we can see Aram taking on Datu. Okay, na-drive dito si Aram, na-contain naman ni Datu, so no need to switch. Kapag nako-contain naman yung drive, hindi na kailangan mag-switch. Nagsiswitch lang sila kapag merong opportunity. So ito, na-contain naman ni Datu yung drive ni Aram, force the pass out. So now, makikita natin, pass out to Brandon. Brandon will set a dribble handoff papunta kay Kim Aurin. So now, si Aurin, nagkaroon ng opportunity to blow by. So, tsaka nag-switch ang Rain or Shine. So now, Santillan came over. Si Nokum naman magsiswitch to papunta kay Brandon Ganuelas-Roser, and then si Karako sasaluhin niya yung roll or yung dive ni BGR papunta sa basket. They play the lanes, Rain or Shine gets the steal. So yun yung ginagawa nila, diretso fast break na, which also brings out Adrian Nokum's skill set or strengths. Now dito again, isi-switch ng Rain or Shine tong pick and roll na to, makikita natin. Okay, Norwood to Enciso, Karakut to Oftana. So, this is a mismatch. Mamaya natin pag-uusapan kung anong ginagawa nila sa mismatch. Pero dito, dahil si Oftana to, pag nagdala ng ball screen kay Oftana, Rain or Shine is going to double Oftana, and then they're going to bring in another extra defender kay BGR, play the lanes, and they get the steal once again. So, ang ginagawa nila, they don't switch kapag wala namang advantage na nakikreate. Pero kapag medyo nagkaroon na ng onting defensive lapse from their end, they automatically switch. Dito, unang ball screen, hindi sila nag-switch kasi na-contain naman ni Karakut. Nung pangalawa, nadali na sa screen si Karakut. So, nag-switch na si Porter kay Vosotros. I'm sorry, si Asistio pala yun. So, now, Asistio on BGR. So, ngayon, mag-switch off si Asistio. Magdadala sila ng extra defender, 83 switch nila to. So, now, Asistio guarding the perimeter, and now, Nokum on BGR. Na fino-front nila kasi nga mismatch. They bring in another extra defender dito, si Clarito, to disallow TNT doon sa entry pass. The ball gets to Cobontin, one-on-one, na-contain naman ni Jonard Clarito, so no need to switch again. Sa play na to ulit, okay, no blow-by, no switch, pero they switch the wrist screen kasi nagkaroon na ng onting advantage. So now, mismatch, okay, they triple switch again, Mamuyak, switch off. So now, cross-court pass papunta kay Glenn Cobontin. Cobontin passes it to Vosotros. Now, nagkaroon ng konting blow-by. Automatically, nag-switch ang Rain or Shine. O si Asistio, babalikin siya kay Cobontin. Si Mamuyak dito, nakaabang, playing the lanes, the gaps. So now, Vosotros, again, they force the pass out, which is good defense, one-on-one. Kaya naman ni Asistio i-continue drive ni Cobontin. So, no need to switch. They forced a tough shot. Dito naman, one-on-one. Okay, Norwood kay Oftana. Na-contain ni Norwood yung drive, so no need to switch. Pass out again. Ball screen, now they switch. Norwood kay Enciso, Mamuya kay Oftana. Mismatch. So, si Clarito nakaabang dito para saluhin. Mag-triple switch sila. So, si Mamuyak switch off. Umalis na si Mamuyak sa eksena. And now, it's Clarito kontra Oftana. Matchup na okay lang, Rain or Shine na kunin. Mafo-force nila mag-step back dito si Oftana sa corner. Pasok lang talaga, pero this is great defense. Hindi nga nakapasok yung bola inside 18 feet. So, ganito ginagawa ng Rain or Shine. So, natapos sa score na 86-107. Panalo ang Rain or Shine. Kung titignan natin yung field goal shooting ng TNT, 45% halos, which is mataas. Pero it's not really the story of the game. Yes, Rain or Shine had a lot of players na nag-step up, especially Anton Asistio. A lot of players scored and contributed para sa Rain or Shine. Pero I think, ang main factor dito is Rain or Shine not allowing TNT to run their offense kung paano gusto ng TNT. Rain or Shine yung nagdikta ng game. And that's because of their defensive game plan na hindi pinapayagan ng TNT to drive papunta sa paint, which opens up their drive and kick offense.